Hey guys, today in this video I'm going to tell you about how to remove account restriction on Facebook. So if you're using Facebook and you've got an account restriction, just follow this video and I'll know how to take it down. And by the end of the video, you will also know how to take it down. So the first thing that you need to do is you have to open up Facebook, and once when you're here, you can just see this profile icon at the bottom right corner. You need to click it, and then you need to click on this account banner above. And once when you're here, when you're on your profile, you can click on these three dots right here, and once when you do, you can see profile status right here. So sometimes the profile notification of the restriction comes mostly in this notification right here. But if you don't have that particular notification of account restriction in your notification panel, you can just go here, like I said, and click on profile status. Once when you click here, you're going to see that the restrictions they have taken against you. Now let me clarify you one thing. The restriction policy or the restriction algorithm of Facebook is pretty messed up, and it's not accurate most of the time. So don't freak out if they restrict you for any reason that you don't know, or any minor reason. Mostly it's not done by you, but the meme pages that you share, or the meme post that you share, or any post that's a wee bit of, I would say, not according to the standards of Facebook. They're just going to restrict your account and put a restriction right away. So how to take it down? uh, if you click it, you can't see anything they have done to stake a claim. They've just said how to prevent further restriction, what this means for you, how we made this decision. But if you need to take it down, what do we need to do? We need to click on this bottom right corner icon again, and then come here to settings and privacy. Here you have to click on settings, and then you need to go here and click on see more in account center. Here what you need to do is you need to click on personal details right here, and then you need to click on identity confirmation. Now here you have to confirm your identity by giving them your driver's license or a national ID card, depending on which country you are from. And once when you prove your identity, then you can stake a claim against the restrictions they have taken against you. The other method to do it is you have to go back, and then you need to go here and help and support, and then click on report a problem, which is right here. So once when you see the restriction, you can just shake your phone right away, and you can send a proper report by writing it. And you can also send an email to Facebook if you want to, and they answer your report in a few days. It might take some business days, but they do answer your report problem, and they fix your issue right away.